Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I wanted to do like a in the life vlog. Like, I feel like I don't do those, and I kind of want to see if I like it or not, so this will be the tester. I just came home from work today, and I am waiting for some food to get here, so I can eat some lunch. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually go on my computer and check my YouTube channel. Normally when I go on my YouTube channel, I usually check to see how my last video was doing, and then also I will just I like to get ideas for like the overall look of my channel and see things that I like, things that I don't like, so I can like make improvements for the future. But yeah, I'll also check my analytics. I'll see if there's like any new comments, and then I will like write back and like them. That's pretty much all I do for YouTube, honestly. But I will also like do any banking that I want to do online, which of course I can't show you that. And I will listen to music for a little bit. Also, I did happen to pick up my Ipsy bag yesterday. So this is the bag this month. We're gonna do a little Ipsy bag unboxing. So this is the bag this month. It has these stripes, has some red piping. It's a cute little bag. Reminds me of like the sea or something. In the bag this month, I got this Ciate London mascara. It's called the Wonder One mascara. I'm actually excited to try that because I have heard a lot about Ciate, but I have never tried their products. I also got this Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage from Skin & Co. And honestly, what is a skin gommage? Please, if you know what it is, leave it in the comments below because I have no idea. I don't know if it's a moisturizer, I don't know if it's a mask, I don't know how to use it. The next product that I got was this Skin Balancing Mask. So this is a botanical rich refining treatment, and it's by Gold Faden MD. So I'm actually excited to try this. It says it's for unbalanced aging skin. Oh wow, Ipsy, what are you saying to me? Anyways, I also got this lip liner. It's in the shade Plum. It looks really pretty, and this is by Jean Bleu. I don't even know if it's French, but that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. I'll swatch a little bit for you. So that's its swatch right there in my hand. It's a matte plum color, as the name says. And it is a wooden pencil, if you were wondering. And then last but not least, in the bag, I got this eyeshadow. It's by Ella Eden. And it's in the shade... You know what, guys? Honestly, I don't see a shade name on here anywhere. Yeah, I don't see a name. Okay, well, it's an Ella Eden. And it is a moussey type of eyeshadow, and I'll swatch that as well. So there it is right there. This month has been a very plummy month because it's very plum. In certain lighting, it does look a little more brownish, but it's a nice satin finish, and it looks really pretty, so I'm excited to try that. But yeah, guys, that was this month's Ipsy bag. I'm excited to try these things out on the face. So my lunch got here. I just got a burger and some potatoes from Original Joe's. Next month, I am going to start to eat healthy, so for the last few days of this month, I'm going to eat whatever I want. Next month, if you have any healthy recipes you want to see, let me know. Actually, before I go, I want to let you guys know I'm going to be watching Land of the Lost while I eat. I'm not eating my bed, but I just want to show you guys a good angle of the movie. So I finished eating my lunch. It was really good. Now I want to change, which I should have done first. I was so hungry, I didn't care. And I'm going to get some cleaning done because I do. So let's get to it. before we move on to the next room, I actually want to show you guys. I have like this makeup here that I'm getting rid of, so I figured I could show you guys that I'm getting rid of. A little mini declutter video in here. So I'm getting rid of this one lip liner. It's burgundy with sparkles. I honestly just don't use it often, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. I'm getting rid of these two ColourPop lippy sticks because they're just like too light of a color for my lips. These Bare Minerals sample lipsticks, again, I'm just never gonna reach for them, so why keep them? I have these Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. These ones, I'm just nervous that they might break me out. I'm already like pretty sensitive when it comes to masks, let alone I don't want to risk wearing one all night and not know that I'm having a reaction. I have this mattifying setting spray from Ulta, which I'm getting rid of because I have another one. And I don't need two matte setting sprays because I don't use them that often to begin with. I have this Berry Lip Fix. Honestly, it's not too dry here that I need this because this is like next level. So send that to Ontario where the snow is miles high. Some heavy hand cream. I have a lot of hand cream, so I just really don't need extra ones. So I'm going to get rid of that one, as well as this hand cream. This Milani primer, it has a lot of glitter in it. It worked really well for me at first, but later on it just stopped working as well, so goodbye. Also this Garnier Skin Active Smoothing Facial Mist. I just found that I wasn't using this, so I don't want to just keep it in my collection. I have a whole bunch of nail polishes. This one chips really fast. This one I'm just not into the color. These ones are all peel off, which, I don't know, I'm just not into it. I have this tinted moisturizer from Ulta Beauty. The shade's just a little too light for me, even when it's winter and I'm on my winter shade, so goodbye. These e.l.f. Baked Blushes and Baked Blush Highlight. Again, I just don't find myself reaching for them, so I'm going to get rid of those. I also have this Hard Candy Highlight. I love this highlight. This is the first one I had, but honestly now looking back at it compared to the ones I have now, it's just not that amazing, so I'm gonna get rid of you. I have the pink eyeshadow palette. I honestly just got a new eyeshadow palette that has some pinks in it, and I didn't really find a need for both, so I just went with the one that I found was better quality, and unfortunately this one wasn't it. And last but not least, I have this Vasanti Face Off Oil-Free Makeup Remover. Honestly, I just don't use it. I am very much in love with my wipes and in love with my Garnier makeup remover that I know I'm just not going to reach for this, and therefore why keep it. I also have these two powders. One is a sample L'Oreal Mercier powder and one is a Makeup Revolution powder. This one's really dry, so I just haven't been reaching for it, but I want to hold on to it till summer, see if it works better during then. And then this Makeup Revolution one, I like it, but I have new powders that I love so much more, so I'm like, should I bother keeping it? It's a nice powder, but my other ones are better, so I don't know. Let me know if I should keep the powders or not, guys, in the comments below. Okay, let's move on to cleaning the living room next. Honestly, it's not that bad. It just needs to be tidied up a little bit. Gonna finish up doing what little dishes are left, and then I'm just gonna tidy up the rest, and then I'll be back. I just finished putting all the dishes in the dishwasher, and now all I have to do is wipe down the counters, and we will be done the kitchen. Just about done. I just gotta get rid of the rest of this stuff and we'll be done. Okay guys, we are all done cleaning. Even though it wasn't like a true clean, it was more just like tidying up. Either way, it looks better than it did before. After I clean, I always feel like I need to take a shower. Am I the only one who feels that way? Like the more you clean, the dirtier you feel. But anyways, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna use all the things I normally use. I show like my skincare video. Like my soft soap, my Hydro Boost cleansing gel, and my Brior charcoal cleanser, and I'll be back. Hey guys, okay, I'm back from my shower. I'm honestly probably not going to do anything with the rest of this night. I'm just going to probably chill, watch some TV. But if you guys like this style of video, like this day in the life, I can do more in the future where I'm actually doing things, running errands, like doing things that are of interest. Just let me know. This is definitely a tester video, and if you guys like it or like the style or the idea, leave a comment so I know. Hit the thumbs up and I can make more in the future. And that's all for today, guys. Bye.